guys, I'm going to show you all how to get free Instagram followers with this really simple method that's literally going to take you a couple of minutes to set up. The cool thing about this though is that none of these are going to be bots, and these are all going to be free followers that you're going to get tons of. Like, you're going to be able to get thousands of followers a day that actually do engage with your content. You're going to be able to get free likes from this and a lot of engagement and pretty much just blow up on Instagram with this simple tutorial that not a lot of people actually know about. In fact, I don't think anyone really knows about this because it's just so good, and I'm going to show you guys right here how it works. So we're going to be using the Instagram++ app, guys, and I'm going to show you right now exactly how it works and then show you all how to set it up and get free Instagram followers. So stick around, guys. Let's go ahead and hop right into the tutorial. All right, guys, so now it is time to get started with the method on how to get your free Instagram followers and pretty much just start blowing up on TikTok with your content. I mean, not on TikTok, on Instagram, my bad. But yes, guys, we're going to go ahead and open up the Instagram++ app. And this is pretty much the app that's going to allow us to get free Instagram followers. And I'm going to show you in this video how to download the app as well. So let's get right into it. But as you guys can see, here's my account. And right now I only have 26 followers, so not a lot at all. But check out this button. You see, so you guys see where it says add? Well, every time you tap on it actually adds free followers straight to your account. And these are real followers, guys. This is not like fake people, like I said. So it's gonna look very legit. So, you know, some people actually do bot their follower count and it looks like you have a lot of followers, but they're all fake. So when you post something, you only get like 1 like, even though you have 5,000 followers, let's say, for example. And that honestly looks really bad and it doesn't help you out in the algorithm at all. But the cool thing about this, guys, is that all these followers are legitimate people. Now, not all of them are going to start engaging with you, maybe only 30 to 50%, because it's impossible for all 100% of your followers to engage with you on every single post. But you will get real engagement rather than if you were to get botted followers, which will look good, but your posts are just going to have no likes or engagement, so it's going to look really bad. So as you guys can see, we're getting free followers right now. And now we're at 4,000 followers, which is really awesome. That's one of the features in here. Also, you can go ahead and unfollow everyone on your account instantly as well. I see a lot of people, you know, ask me this exactly, like, how do you unfollow all your the people that you're following really fast? Well, we have a solution in this app right here, guys. All we have to do is tap unfollow, and it unfollows everyone without us having to manually do it. Because normally you would have to go ahead and sit there and do it yourself, like unfollow every single person, which could definitely take a lot of time if you do follow a lot of people. Also, in this app, there is some other features as well that are not available in the original Instagram++ app. So as you guys can see, we have the go viral option, the see stalkers option, incognito mode, and some other cool stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you now exactly how to go ahead and download this Instagram++ app so you guys can go ahead and start getting free followers and grow your Instagram account way quicker. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and do it. So first thing that we have to go ahead and do is just make sure that our device is ready for the install and it's going to be prepared for the download. So what I mean by this is we have to go ahead and change some settings on iOS and Android really quick. So first we'll go ahead and do the iOS devices. So if you're on iOS, go ahead and open up the settings app. And what you guys are going to want to do in the settings app is go ahead and scroll down until you find the battery. And then just go ahead and make sure that you guys have the low power mode option turned off. So as you all can see, I have it off right now. That's perfect. And once you guys have done that, you're going to want to go ahead and look for general. And then in general, we're going to go ahead and look for the background app refresh setting. And you guys are just going to want to make sure you have this turned on to Wi-Fi and cellular data, just like how I have it right here. And boom. Then once you guys have done that, you're going to want to come over here to the about option and just make sure that your software version on your iOS device is above iOS 10. Otherwise, you will not be able to download the app successfully. Now, I'm on iOS 14.3, which means I'm actually compatible with it. So like I said, if you're below iOS 10, you will have to go ahead and tap the software update and go ahead and upgrade your iOS device really quickly. But then you will be able to download the Instagram++ app without any issues. Now, those are all the settings that we have to go ahead and change on iOS. Now, if you guys are on an Android phone, we also have to go ahead and change some settings on the Android devices. So go ahead and open up the settings app on your Android device. And you're going to want to go ahead and scroll down until you find a battery. So as you all can see, we're in battery right now, and what you guys are going to want to do is go ahead and look for the battery saver. You're just going to want to make sure you guys have this turned off. And once you've done that, you're going to want to go ahead and look for the adaptive battery and make sure you guys have that off as well. So as you all can see, it is right, if it could focus, there it is right there. Adaptive battery, make sure you guys have that off. And once you've done that, that is going to be all the settings that we have to change on iOS and Android. Now, if you do not see these settings on your Android device, you can actually just skip this step entirely instead of worrying about it. But anyways, guys, let's go ahead and move on with the rest of the download to actually go ahead and get Instagram++ installed. Now, like I did say, guys, this is a tweaked app, which means you're not going to be able to get it from like the App Store or the Google Play Store, as it's not available on there. But I know a really easy way to install it for free, no jailbreak required, and it's going to be a really quick install. So what you guys are going to want to do is open up the browser on your phone and head on over to this website called tweaklink.vip. So once again, guys, that is tweaklink.vip. So just go ahead and type this website in right into the search bar on your phone's browser. So once again, guys, tweaklink.vip. And basically this is a Tweak app store. One of the best ones out there because no jailbreak is required in order to use it. But once you guys are in the site, you're going to want to come to the search bar and just go ahead and type in Instagram. And there it is right there, Instagram++. View private accounts to get free followers and more. So what we have to go ahead and do now, guys, is go ahead and tap on the app. Then it's going to say injection required, start the injection or start install. Just tap on that button. And now all we have to go ahead and do is just wait for this to load, give it about 10 to 20 seconds. And then it will fully load up and take us to the final part of the download. Just make sure that you guys do keep on watching until the end of the video though. There is like one last step that we have to go ahead and do. That is very, very important in order to finalize the download of the Instagram++ app, guys. So right now we're just waiting for this to load, and then I'll go ahead and show you all what we have to go ahead and do next. So as y'all can see, we're just waiting for this to load still. Also, while we wait for this to load, I would greatly appreciate it if you guys could all leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel really quick, as it would mean a lot to me. But anyways, right now we're just going to go ahead and finally load this up, which is going to say, please follow and complete the instructions of all the offers below. Once completed, the download will finish. So we're going to see a bunch of offers on here, and what we have to go ahead and do, guys, is complete every single one of these apps. And once you do all of them, then the full Instagram++ app will be installed, and that's how easy this is to do. Now, I'm not going to do all these offers, but I'll go ahead and do a few as an example to show you guys how to do this. So simply go ahead and tap on one of the apps. Then the instructions of that offer will pop up, right? So this one is saying, download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds to unlock this content. So pretty simple stuff. We're just going to go ahead and get started with the first one. And then once you do one app, then we have to head back and do the rest of them. Now, like I did say, guys, I don't want to make this video super long, so I'm not going to do all the apps, but yes, guys, you will have to do all of them, and once that's done, Instagram++ will be installed, and now you'll be able to get your free followers. So that's how easy this is to do, guys. If you have any questions, let me know down below, and thank you very much for watching, everybody. Peace out.